Let's make a delicious cherry cake with tender sour cream filling. Start by preparing the pastry crust. Mix the dry ingredients, flour, salt, and baking powder. Cut cold butter into small cubes and mix it with the flour by hand or in a food processor. By the way, as usual, I have freshly milled whole wheat flour here. Whisk 1 egg and mix it with powdered sugar to dissolve as much of powdered sugar as possible. Pour the egg in and mix it with the dough. If the dough remains too sticky and unmanageable, add a little bit more flour. Once the dough comes together, flatten it out a little bit and put it into the freezer for 15 minutes while you prepare the filling. For the filling, mix sugar, cornstarch, sour cream, and eggs. Regarding the dough that is chilling in the freezer, it is needed to make the dough manageable. It has a high butter content, so if it is warm, it just gets sticky and messy, and it's just not possible to work with it. For the filling, you will also need some sweet cherries. Cut them into halves and remove the pit. Once everything is ready for the filling, take out the dough from the freezer and shape it to fit the baking pan. Put it between two pieces of parchment paper and roll it out so that it is slightly bigger than your baking pan. Here you can see it does get quite messy. If it does, just put the dough into the freezer for a couple of minutes and then it becomes much easier to work with. I don't cut the edges beforehand. First I put in the filling, then the cherries, and only after that I cut or trim the edges to make them look nice. If you know exactly how much space or volume the filling will take, you can first trim the edges and then add the filling. Bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour until the filling sets in the middle. It will be kind of wibbly wobbly in the middle, but if it's not liquid, then it is done. The filling will collapse once the cake cools down. Remove it from the baking pan. Cut it with a wet knife so that the cut looks nice and clean, and enjoy!